Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you iPhone users someone might be spying on your SIM. Stop before it's too late. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So some of the signs that you can use to check if someone might be spying on your SIM. First is call forwarding. Now to do it, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your settings. Then once you're inside here, simply tap on apps, and once you're inside apps, simply scroll down until you find the phone application and then tap on it. Once you're inside the phone, what you need to do is scroll down and then find call forwarding option. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply toggle it off. The next option that you can use is by simply heading over and opening up the dialer. Then on the dialer, type in *#21 and hash. This will let you check if you have the call forwarding option on. Then next is you can type in *#67 hash to cancel call forwarding, and then you can also cancel it by simply typing in the *#002 hash and call it erase all the forwarding as well. You can see messages with the cancellation succeeded. If the code doesn't work, contact your carrier customer service and ask them to cancel any unauthorized call forwarding on your line. Assigned to is text message forwarding or Apple linked devices. Messages on Apple can be sent to multiple accounts. If there's a device that's not yours with your permission, it can see your messages. So in order to check, what you need to do is simply head over back, open up your settings. Then once you're inside, simply scroll down and then tap on apps. And now inside apps, select messages. Then once you're inside messages, select send and receive, and then make sure the iMessage and reply form and your email appear. If you find a strange email or number, tap it to remove it or sign out of Apple ID. Then next is to simply go back to your settings, tap on your Apple ID name, then select iCloud. Once you're inside iCloud, select messages and then simply turn this option on to sync the off with any other devices. Sign 3 is strange SIM application list. Some carriers hold SIM menu inside settings. Check if it appears in for you. So to do, simply head over back and open up your settings. Once you're inside settings, select seller, and you might find SIM applications by simply scroll down and then tap on it. And here, if the menu shows strange names or codes like incomprehensible codes, words like remote or config or forward or spy, don't open them. Take a screenshot and contact customer service. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.